Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. This week we're moving into the environmental aspects of health. This week we're going to focus on things such as water, sanitation, indoor air pollution, and really how these things can be improved through policies and practices that are at our local level or at the national level. We also want to focus on issues that are transnational, and these are really important to have global change because they are impacting us worldwide, such as outdoor air pollution and climate change. So we want to focus on the environment aspects of health as a part of global health this week. So you'll be responsible for reading Chapter 4 and completing the Chapter 4 quiz. The other thing that you'll have is the signature project quiz. So I just want to make sure that everybody has an idea of really the best practices for writing a research paper, especially in APA format. So this quiz is going to focus on how to cite properly and how to do a reference page in APA format. So you do have 3 attempts if you do get things wrong, but I also recommend looking at, Purdue and the CWI library for resources on how to cite correctly for APA. Finally, the last project you'll have is a case study analysis exploring different environmental detriments of health worldwide. So after you read Chapter 4, you'll want to go to this website right here, and you'll want to look under the case study area. So there are 2 options, map view and list view. And I have pulled it up over here, top. As you can see, there are many case studies. Okay, so you can do map view, and it will be focused on areas of the world, and so you can zoom out, scroll down, and choose specifically an area that you want. I recommend list view, just so you can see all of them at one time. So you'll go through and choose one, and then move into the discussion board. So what you want to do is pick which one you're doing. So obviously Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin American and Caribbean. So you'll go through and choose which one you want to do. Come back here and include, you're going to start your discussion board thread by adding the name of the case study as the thread topic. So I would like to have each student choose a different case study. So once you've chosen, you can go back and you'll be able to see what everybody else has chosen. There will be obviously times where some students choose the same topic due to posting around the same time, and that's going to be okay. But if somebody has already chosen that 3 days prior or whenever it is that you're working on it, you will lose points if you don't choose another one. So that's why it's important to go and make a selection, add your discussion board, and then go back and review what's been done prior to actually reviewing the case study. So then you'll need to go through and complete the following. For the discussion board, it is 80 points, so it's much larger as far as the points go this time. And there's 6 different sections that you need to complete. So explain the issue, make sure to include the country or countries, what was the cause, the outcome, who was involved, or other countries involved in resolving the issue, how did the environmental issue impact the human population within the specific country and or globally? Are there any plans in the future to continue to monitor this issue if it's been resolved? If so, explain. And if not, was it explained that they can take certain steps moving forward? And then what do you feel they could do going forward to ensure the environmental issue is resolved? And then you need to reply to at least 3 of your peers. So same thing, make sure that it's a meaningful, intentional post, ask questions, move the conversation forward. So that is your major project this week is going through. I recommend spending a significant amount of time reviewing the case study. And, feel free to do your own outside research as well. So that will be the environmental detriments of health, chapter 4 quiz, taking the signature project introduction quiz, and then completing the discussion board. Okay, have a really great week, and let me know if you have any questions.